Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys doing wonderful. All right, so today is a beautiful day. We actually in March, almost spring. Maybe a day away or 2 days away from spring. But these are some burdock that I planted last year. I have more up there, and I want to harvest them because they are a year old now. And if I leave them for the spring to come, they're going to start focusing on the flowers. So I want to harvest them before the spring come, and maybe I can plant back a root. So let's see what's going on here, guys. Try not to damage the root. Trying to get it out as a whole. Okay. That's some pretty nice. It gone deep, guys. This is all right, guys. So this is the burdock right here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Let's see what we got from it, guys. We have some nice size. Yeah, we got to harvest them now because we don't want to wait for the spring to come. And you know what, guys? It broke. So as you can see, it went deeper. So all right, these burdocks gonna come back. Wow, okay. We have a lot to harvest, guys. We have a lot to harvest. This is the next one here, guys. Oh man, look how lovely this looking, guys. Wow. So what we're gonna do, guys, we're gonna break off the young roots down there, and then we're gonna cut right here and cut off the top there and replant them. You see, like this one here, we're gonna cut off right here and stuck it back in the soil. Now is the time to harvest them because you don't want to wait for next when the spring come, because they're gonna turn into flowers. So you want to make sure you give them at least a year in the ground, or harvest them before the frost in the winter, and maybe you'll be okay. But I don't want to take them no further because they might get too hard. Look how lovely these looking. So we're gonna continue to do what we're doing here, guys. All right. I love to plant burdock on banks. The reason why I love to plant them on banks because they push their root down a lot. So let me show you what I'm gonna be doing here. So I can, dig around, play around, and see if we can find the root. You see up in here? Yeah, so you know, when you dig it like this, the roots them run pretty deep, really deep. So you gotta try to dig it. You got to dig real deep, guys, in order to get the root. Nice size. Nice pieces, guys. Let me give you an idea. You see, look at this. You see how long this is? If you leave this, if you pull it, you're gonna break it. So you try and forget, look, these as well. You try and forget them as far down as possible. This is a, oh man, this is a really nice harvest. You see how deep they go, guys? Their roots go very, very deep. So we have all these for harvest. So it seems like we're gonna have a beautiful harvest, guys. So let's continue. Dig out this one that you guys can see exactly how this one looking. I really want to do the video, but it's going to be a pretty long video to harvest all of them. Even though I plant them on a bank, look how deep these things still goes. Oh. Man, Look at this, guys. Look at this. Nice harvest here. Beautiful day, guys. Beautiful day. It's gonna be a long harvest, guys, and I really don't want this video gonna be pretty long. So I'm gonna continue harvesting, and then I'm gonna show you guys to the end. Look how much we have so far, and we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more to harvest. All right, this is a lot. This need a video. I need someone to be holding the video. Look how deep this hole is, guys. Look how deep this hole is. You see, if someone is holding the video, it's gonna be a lot easier for me. So I'm gonna end this video, but you guys got to stay tuned for part 2. All right, nice harvest so far. Peace and love.